Costco.
Costco.
Costco. Costco.
Costco. I've watched so many videos on YouTube and read so many articles that say Costco is one of the best places when it comes to retail and online arbitrage. I mean, at the end of the day, it has wholesale in its name, right? So it better be good. Well, in my opinion, it's only one way to find out. And actually go to the shops at 9:30 because they just opened up and see for ourselves. So the problem that we have with Costco is that a lot of the items here are very, very big. I mean, take this TV, for example. Let's say you can make 50 quid or £100 profit. How many of these are you going to be able to store at home in your flat or whatever, right? So we have to look at items that are smaller. Now, from the videos, from my research that I've done, you have to go into beauty, you have to go into toys and games. So let's find out exactly where they are and if there's any profit to be made. So far, so good. Literally, the very first product that I scanned, as you can see, we buy it for £41, including VAT. On Amazon, it's being sold for £57.95, and the sales rank is pretty good as well. So I'd say about easily £10 profit, and look how many we've got. So far, so good. But that's not enough. We just one product. We need to get more. We need to get better profits. Not bad. We got ourselves another one. So this, 101. Don't forget to include the VAT. On Amazon, 155. May sound like a good deal, however, there's a couple of problems with this. Number one, the sales rank is 189,000. That means these ones are not selling that well. And secondly, think about how much you're going to have to pay in fulfillment fees as well. Because it's such a large item, probably half of that profit, which is £55, is going to go to the fulfillment fees. And also, let's be honest, the packaging is so big, how many of these do you really want to store at your place? Got another one, and this one is even better. So, £103 for sale on Amazon. Decent sales rank, 33,000, which is not too bad. And we're selling it or buying it for £72. And this, in my opinion, is not going to cost that much to ship. It will be larger than a standard package. So therefore, I think another £15, £20 profit each and every single time. But once again, in my opinion, it all depends on one thing. Will these sell? But the beautiful thing is, if they don't, you can come back to Costco 2-3 weeks from now and just return these and get your money back. No risk, right? Nope, nothing. Can't even find some of them. What about this one? Buy it for $16.73. Sorry, $60.78. Sell it, $33.49. Now, I think this is the best deal we found so far. Even though the price isn't that high, think about it. It's nice, small, cheap item. You can buy 20 of them and see if they start selling. If they do start selling, you can come back and buy more. Nothing. It's a smoke alarm. Why is the packaging so big? Unnecessary. You think Costco has deals all over the place given it's a wholesale, right? But this massive whatever thing is here right now is selling for £360. On Amazon, you can get it for £320. Not everything is a good deal here. What is this? Back to black tire shine. Okay. Okay, so we can sell for £7.99. Initially, I thought it's not a bad deal because it's £8.99 over here. However, for £8.99, you get 3 of these bad boys. £7.99, you get to sell 1 of them. So this, you have to times it by 3. Long story short, there's about £15 profit if you manage to sell all 3 of them. Finally, we found some toys. All right, let's see. Come on, I'm hopeful on this one. It's £30 right now with VAT. On Amazon, you can sell it, well, the cheapest one is $39.98. And this is relatively a large toy, so the fulfillment fees are going to be high. In other words, not that much profit. Meh. I'm a big Minions fan, so I'm hopeful this is a profitable item. Again, you can sell it for $6.49. The sales rank isn't that good. You buy it for $12. After fees, you're probably going to be making a loss. So I don't know why everyone was telling me, hey, beauty is amazing, toys is amazing. Every single toy so far I have scanned, nothing. Got to be honest, security's looking a bit weird at me, given that I'm scanning pretty much every item in this shop. I think we're going to leave it here for now. But what am I doing wrong? I'm just clearly scanning items. I mean, what's wrong with that? Oh well. So, what's my conclusion? Well, the rumors are true. Costco Wholesale is actually a really good shop for you to go to if you're going to do retail or online arbitrage. But that being said, I personally couldn't find that many beauty or toys and games that everybody was talking about that are so profitable. What worked for us today is actually the home and kitchen items, some of the bathroom items. However, there are a couple of things you need to think about. The first is the size of the packaging. Do you really want to buy 10 items of something and store it in your house or flat unable to sell? That's something you need to think about. Also need to think about the price of those items. Because if you're going to buy a whole bunch, you're going to easily set yourself back 500 to 1,000 pounds, and you're not exactly sure if you're going to sell. So my advice is start slow, start small with Costco, get the best possible deals, only start with a couple of items and see how well they do. Because at the end of the day, if they don't sell well in about 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, you still can't sell them, you can always bring them back and get your money back. With that being said, that's pretty much it for today's video, and let me get to my pizza.